Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to open a table on Clover Dining on the new Clover Mini 3rd Gen. First, you're going to come to the main screen and you're going to find the Clover Dining icon. Second, you're going to find the section of your restaurant where you would like to open the table. Then go ahead and press the number of the table. The system is going to allow you to choose the amount of guests that you want to put in the order. And it would allow you to order items for the whole table or by guest. For this example, I'm just going to choose a couple of items under the whole table. And once you're ready to send it to the kitchen, go ahead and press save. And as long as you configure all of your kitchen printers or screens, now the order has made it to the kitchen and somebody's making it. And that's it. That's how you open a table in Clover Dining on your Clover Mini. If you would like to watch more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave us any comments below with future videos you would like to watch. Thank you.